Welcome, one and all. I am Dhananjay Pise, working as an assistant professor in Department of Engineering Sciences of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we are going to see the machine tools. This is the topic from subject Systems in Mechanical Engineering for first year engineering student. Machine tools are used for metal cutting operations and surface finishing operations. It is a power-driven tool used for making the desired shape of the component with the required size, accuracy and surface finish by material removal process. It uses a cutting tool for removing the material from the workpiece. The example of different machine tools are lathe machine, drilling machine, grinding machine, milling machine and so on. Today we are going to see drilling machine. Drilling machine is used for making the hole inside the workpiece by forcing the rotating tool into the stationary workpiece. This operation of making the hole is called as a drilling operation, and to perform this operation drilling tool is used. This is the column type of drilling machine, wherein the different elements of this drilling machine are the base, which supports the entire assembly of the machine tool; table clamp, wherein work table is mounted. Onto the work table we are mounting the workpiece with the help of T-bolts. This one is the column. It is a vertical part fixed on the base support. This work table can be swing around this vertical column and it can be moved up in down direction. Next, drill. It is the tool which used for making the holes. Chuck, then spindle. It is the hollow rotary part which holds the drilling tool. Then drill head, wherein we are having the motor and drive assembly for providing the rotary motion to the drill. So these are the basic elements of the drilling machine. Next one is the type of operations performed on the drilling machine. The first one is the drilling. It is a process of making cylindrical hole using drill tool. Second operation is the reaming operation. It is a process of smoothly finishing and accurately sizing the drilled hole using the tool which is called as a reamer. It removes only negligible amount of material from the previously drilled hole. Boring operation. It is a process of enlarging the drilling hole to meet the required size and finish. The boring tool is used for carrying out this boring operation. Counter boring operation. Process of enlarging the existing hole to a certain depth using counter bore tool. It is used for providing the recess for bolt heads and nut. Spot facing operation. It is a process of enlarging the existing hole to a small depth using spot facing tool. It is used for this operation is carried out for providing the recess for the washers. Countersinking operation. It is a process of chamfering the drilled hole using countersink tool. So again, it is providing the recess for countersink flathead screw or rivet to be fitted into the hole. Tapping operation, it is making for internal threads using tap tool. Trepanning, it is a process of making large size hole by removing the metal along the circumference of the hole using multi-point hollow tool. So these are the operations which can be performed on the drilling machine. So here we can see the diagrams as well. So first operation is the drilling operation, creating hole inside the workpiece. Reaming operation for finishing the previously drilled hole. Boring tool or boring operation for enlarging the previous drilled hole. Counter boring operation providing the recess, flat recess onto the previously drilled hole. Spot facing operation, the depth of extending the previously drilled hole is very small for providing the recess for the visor. Countersinking operation to create the countersink onto the previously drilled hole. Tapping operation for creating the internal threads, and trepanning operation for creating large size holes into the workpiece. Thank you.